Hi, this is Gene from Allstate Home Leisure in Rochester again. I just wanted to show you this mixed media collection that we are carrying. The table itself, all aluminum, called Napa, wood grain finished in the gray and brown, tones beautifully designed. It's available in this rectangular 40 by 80 or also in a 60-inch round beautiful pedestal trestle base table. We've introduced 3 different chair designs in the resin weave wicker. The gray media here in the resin is our Napa chair. We're also doing in a washed antiqued finish here called Provence, and then the espresso chocolate color, which is the Barossa. All 3 of these designs going beautifully with this table, or mixing them, whether it be the gray chairs on the sides with the washed ones on the ends, or the chocolate along with the wash on the ends. Beautiful combination. You can also incorporate other chair designs. I've done a cast aluminum chair with these, a sling chair with this particular table design. Very, very universal, very easy to work with, and the customers are just loving it.